Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Akanksha. Today I'm going to talk about the if function. If is a logical function and it's very important and very useful function. So what if do? So you have a condition like if the salary is less than 10,000, then answer should be true, and if the salary is less more than 10,000, answer should be false. It can be any condition according to your requirement. So first I will talk basically how we draft a if function. Okay, so I will make if function beginner video and an advanced video, two different videos I'll make. So in this video you will find the beginner thing, that what is if condition and how we can draft a simple if condition. Fine, let's start. So if first will be first I have to mention what is my condition. I have to be very clear with my condition, that what condition I want. uh, Either I want to be less and more condition, either I want equal condition, or either I want to, not equal to condition. It can be anything, or equal condition, it can be anything. So we need to be very crystal clear what condition we need to mention. Then if my condition is met, it if what the condition we have given and the answer is true, so what answer I need to get to reflect in the cell. Okay, and if the condition is not meeting, then what answer I need in the cell. Okay, so we'll do the first very basic thing. So this is some guys, people are here and their revenue is written here. So in this condition, a very simple condition is there. I've written if revenue is more than 10,000, I need the cell to reflect the answer as good. Okay. And what if condition is not meeting, like if revenue is not more than 10,000, I don't need anything to be there in the cell. See how I'll do. If my revenue is greater than 10,000, I can write 10,000 also, or I can give cell referencing. So I think every time cell referencing should is advisable. I would say that you guys also always do the cell referencing rather than writing, because if today you write 10,000 and you drag this formula everywhere, and tomorrow your report has to be generate 20,000, so you have to go again in the cell and write, and you have to find everywhere. It's better to give a cell referencing, and you have to change here only. Fine, so I'll give a cell referencing. So if it's greater than 10,000, so if my condition is true, yeah, revenue is greater than 10,000, what answer I want? I want a good answer. So I can write here, but I'll give my cell reference, right? And if the condition is not meeting, if revenue is not, so I will put it blank. For blank you have to put two inverted comma without any space, and I'll close it, and it's done. So now I have done one mistake here in formula. Okay, what I'll tell you. See, now when I'm dragging, it's not working. Why? Because see, here the referencing is correct, right? But when I dragged, the referencing got changed. You understand? That is that's why freezing of cell is very important. You will put function 4, or you can manually put dollar here, so the cell will get freezed. Function 4, F4 key, is the shortcut of putting the freeze button. So because I don't need this cell to get change every time I drag the formula down, I will freeze them. I'm not freezing B4, because every time I want the formula get down, I want this cell referencing get changed too. Therefore, I won't freeze it. Now I'll control C, control V, command C, command V in the case of MacBook. Why this is not C? Okay, I didn't freeze it actually. I told you guys, but I didn't freeze it. Okay, now the cell has been freezed. Now voila, it worked. So this how the if functions work. Okay, so now in my next video I will tell how you nest the function if, like we say nesting of if. In nesting of if we put a combination of another logical function like and or if or anything. So we will do in next video. Thank you guys, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe so I can make more videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye.